Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome back to Junk Journal July. For today, let's create something for the prompt fold in my little junk journal. I'm really happy how this challenge is going so far. I hope you are enjoying the daily videos as well. And if you're taking part in Junk Journal July, I'm hoping that you enjoy this daily creative challenge. If you are taking part, let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And now let's get into the prompt for today, fold. I just decided to take one of those more simple craft paper pages for the prompt and fold up one of the corners, and then I'm adding some vintage ephemera from Mac Journals and Get Messy's ephemera pack for the challenge, and I'm trying to add to it to make it something different depending if it's fold close or it's opened, to create a more three-dimensional page for that one. And I'm just trying to go with the flow. I had some more ideas for fold for the prompt of fold, and maybe I will include some of the other ideas in further videos down the line, and maybe I can include it in another prompt on another day. Here I'm adding some more washi tape details to the page to make it a bit more collagey. And a special warm welcome to all my fellow junk journalers who have found my channel through the Junk Journal July challenge so far. Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet. I'm so happy to have you all here, and to many more creative adventures. How's your Junk Journal July challenge going so far? If you are participating, I'm really enjoying to do the daily little drawing and collaging habits, and doing something on a daily basis. Feels really, really nice to add to the little chunky collection that is my junk journal already. And I can't wait how this one will fill up throughout the 31 days of the month. Happy Junk Journal July! I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.